In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Prezi for event planning. Whether you're organizing a corporate conference, a community fundraiser, or even a personal celebration, using Prezi can help you visualize and communicate your event plan more effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open Prezi and start a new presentation. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one, which is quick and easy. Once you've signed in, look for the option to create a new Prezi. You'll be greeted by a variety of templates, and this is where you start tailoring your presentation to fit your event. Choose a template that aligns with your theme or purpose. Consider templates designed for project planning or event coordination, as they often offer layouts that are perfect for detailing logistics and timelines. With your template selected, it's time to add a main topic. This will be the centerpiece of your presentation, serving as the headline that captures your audience's attention right away. Label it with the name of your event or the overarching theme that encompasses all aspects of your event planning. Next, it's crucial to break down your event into smaller, more manageable pieces. Create subtopics within your presentation for different sections, such as the agenda, venue details, speaker lineups, scheduling, and logistics. Each subtopic will function as a chapter in your story, allowing your audience to easily follow along with your plans. Keep the information clear and concise to avoid overwhelming your viewers. To make your Prezi visually engaging, insert relevant images, maps, charts, and even videos. These visuals not only add interest, but can also provide additional context and clarity. For example, if you're discussing the venue, include images or a map of the location. If you're detailing the schedule, a timeline chart can be incredibly effective. Now, let's explore how to make this presentation a dynamic experience. Use Prezi's Zoom Paths feature to guide your viewers smoothly from one part of your event plan to the next. This feature allows you to create seamless transitions, making it easier for your audience to understand the flow of your event. As you finalize your presentation, consider adding any links or resources that might be useful for attendees or team members. This could include links to registration forms, additional reading materials, or contact information. Including these resources can help ensure that everyone involved has access to the right information. And there you have it. That's how you create a Prezi for event planning. By organizing your thoughts in a visually compelling and dynamic presentation, you can convey your event plans with clarity and impact. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create your event presentation with confidence.